Nice to see you all. My colleagues, Professor Nalbulwar and Professor Jadavji and Professor Jogi. I'm able to see in the screen. There
Yes.
must be many more, definitely.
Yeah. Yeah.
Jadhav
So,
sir,
should
what
we
is it?
start? Yeah.
Yeah, what is the program? Can we start, Mr. Avnish?
Sure,
Yes,
You
sir.
sir.
are
Jogi
you are
sir,
the
Jogi sir, request,
you,
sir. Jogi sir, please request. Honorable
hello?
Vice, sir.
Yes, sir, please.
Yeah. Yeah.
Can we start, sir?
There
Yes,
is
sir.
somebody is saying some request to Honorable Vice Chancellor. I don't know what that request
Yeah.
is.
Yeah, sir. So
Miss,
I think we'll start, sir. Hello, everyone. Welcome, one and all. This meeting is to formally inaugurate the Dabatu Alumni Association, University Departments, which is known as with the short form of DBA, right? And we have requested our Honorable Vice Chancellor and our Honorable Registrar of our college, our university, to do the honors, right? And so with that, it's going to be a very short call. I think it's just half an hour. We'll start with requesting Registrar Sir to give a brief introduction, and after which we can request Honorable Vice Chancellor to address us, all alumni, on the subject, right? So with that, I'll hand it over to Jogi Sir
Yeah.
to do the notes to start.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Actually, it is our proud privilege that on 27th Republic Day, we are going to inaugurate our Alumni Association. And on behalf of the university and on my own behalf, I will welcome you all. And I kindly request our Honorable Vice Chancellor, sir, to please inaugurate officially our Alumni Association. Please, sir.
yeah. First of all, my best wishes to each one of our alumni who are directly participating in this program, and many more who are maybe watching this program indirectly through other social media platforms on the occasion of 72nd Republic Day of our great nation. It's a great honor for me as Vice Chancellor to really initiate the alumni association of this great Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar Technological University. And I should say one thing here that 15-20 days back, when there were requests coming from our friends, young friends, I chose that why not we do it on 26 January, so that forever nobody will be able to forget the day of the inauguration of and forming of our alumni association. Am I right? I think I'm very much right when I say. I think one need not tell what is the foundation day of your alumni association
Yes, sir.
separately. Everybody will remember, every student of this university till now who have been the students of this university, and many more generations which are going to come will remember forever, without being prompted by anybody else, the D Batu Alumni Association. I think DBA Triple A, I think DBAT Triple A, I think this is D Batu Alumni Association. I feel it is an honor to inaugurate this, and I feel extremely happy. Personally, I'm telling you, I feel extremely happy to inaugurate our alumni association, which has been a dream for me the day I joined this university almost plus 1.5 years back. I've been waiting for this opportunity wherein I can directly get into many of our alumni who have been occupying very high positions, and not only that, who have been the torch bearers of our Debatu, and who will be torch bearers of Debatu. I feel happy, and I cherish this particular moment, similar to you, that I will also keep in mind. I will never forget this day in my life till my last breath. That I inaugurated this Alumni Association of Debatu when I was Vice Chancellor on 26 January. Every 26 January is going to remind us about the existence of Alumni Association. Friends, I also take this opportunity to congratulate the immediate, I think some ad hoc committee has been formed by all our young friends and headed by Lieutenant Colonel Sachin
Yes,
Oka.
sir. Yes, sir.
I have spelled your designation properly, na?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Sachin?
It's Lieutenant Colonel Sachin Oak. Right, sir. Oak. Yeah,
Uh,
right, sir.
Sachin Oka. Okay.
It's
And
Oak. It's Oak. Yeah.
Acha, okay means woke. Okay.
Yeah, yes, sir.
Yeah, Lieutenant Colonel
Sir.
Sachin, for being the president who has come forward to take up the charge as president, Debatu Alumni Association, and the overseas president, we have another young, highly dynamic and charged guy in Dr. Prashant Valluri. Correct, na, Prashant? Very nice, very nice. And the secretary is our Ingole. Santosh face is not seen in this particular window. Yeah, now he is showing his photo only, not yeah, smiley face. Such Santosh, welcome to Debatu in this particular position as a general secretary of the
Yes, sir.
association. And then
Yes, sir.
another wonderful guy we have in the organization is Avnish. Mr. Avnish is which position you are taking, Avnish? Because this I just remember, I'm not carrying any file because
Okay.
till 5:48 or so, I was discussing with Dr. Jogi for 55 minutes various issues related to university. For last, it was last call was 55 minutes plus. And so it went off my mind to take up the file. Mr. Avnish from
Yes, sir.
based at Bangalore, who is a great entrepreneur. His presence is really going to add a lot of value to our alumni association. And I remember one female, Shravantiya.
Shravani, yeah.
Shravani also is a very dynamic lady, and definitely, I'm very sure there were many more members who are active, and there may be many members who would like to come forward now after seeing the formation of this association. I'm very sure many more youngsters will join you to do something for Debatu. My only request is best wishes to, first of all, the entire panel of our Debatu Alumni Association. And I wish you all the very best in all your endeavors. And as Vice Chancellor, I look forward for your support in furthering the cause of our great university, be it in revamping the curriculum, be it in providing internship opportunities, be it in motivating the students, which is the requirement as on today very much, and be it ultimately providing some placements in a small way, whatever is possible to you at your places or in your friends' organizations. So these are basic 4 points I'm really looking for. One is improving the academic standards of the university. Second one is motivating the students and instilling confidence among the students with your continued interaction in a what is a perfectly scheduled manner, not ad hoc like this. We may have been doing all these things earlier, but now let there be, you please have a schedule for such programs, and then make it a movement sort of thing. Slowly, in a year, it should become a movement, Debatu Alumni Association movement, wherein a separate notification is not required for the students to assemble online or physically. So these things should happen. So motivating students is very, very important. Next one is providing internship. As you all know, we have taken up a big mission. It's not a joke and it is a Herculean task, I know, but somewhere we need to make a beginning. That's why we have taken up that making 8th semester totally dedicated to internship. It is one of the boldest decisions, I should say, we have taken in the country. Debatu, for your information, is the only university in India wherein technical university in India wherein 8th semester is totally dedicated to internship or in-house project. Lots of complications are there. It is Herculean task to provide internship to so many, around 25 to 30,000 students across the university when I talk about. And our campus only, okay, around 500 plus students. It's not a joke, but somewhere we need to make a good beginning. Good beginning for a good cause. With that intention we have done. This is one. Next, my appeal to each one of you is, please, through your networking, try to help out the students in getting placed somewhere. And after going out, after leaving the portals of the institute, it becomes very difficult to get a job nowadays. And please help them. These are the immediate targets. Later on, we can think of research, all these things, they come later. First, basic requirements need to be fulfilled for the students. And then I also would like to appeal to you, especially Santosh and Sachinji, you please identify at least 2 coordinators from every class, first year, second year, third year, final year. There must be at least, you may have more also, and please speed up this process, wherein you form a panel of active, you can say that they are not alumni, but they are likely to become alumni subsequently. You may give a proper name to that, make a perfect panel, and then complete this chart through some table sort of thing, which could be uploaded on the website of the university. I'm interested to upload this information on the university's website. And I request Mr. Santosh to please give in the form of some table sort of thing, whatever you say, name of the gentleman who is holding the charge, his or her affiliation with a photograph, and what is his designation in the organization, that is Alumni Association, so that we create a separate icon for that on our website and then put it up on the website. And then you can have active members of Alumni Association from among the students, that you can take, you can co-opt people from every class and every department, 2 people, so that they become the bridge between you and the other students directly. You can do many more things. And I'm sure you will be interacting with the faculty members also, because many faculty members are interested to promote the activities of their own departments, definitely, and theirs also. So both the purposes will be served through alumni. And I must tell you here, yesterday night from 6 to 9:30 p.m., I participated in the NITK Alumni Association Bombay chapter annual day. It was 25th of January, one day before. They have kept some 50 years back. And Bombay chapter consists of more than 1,500 alumni coming from NIT Surathkal. There were some excellent awards. I think you should take it forward, and I would appeal to the first organizing committee of your Alumni Association, Lieutenant Colonel Sahab, that let us have a good tradition established by your team, this team, when I am there as Vice Chancellor, wherein every year they are giving two awards by the Alumni Association itself. One for best performance, and second one is best practicing engineer of the year, best performer of the year. And can you think of, it was given not just only to Mr. So-and-so, it was Mr. So-and-so and Mrs. So-and-so. See the spirit behind. And I remember both the names. Yesterday's Performer of the Year 2020 was given to Mr. Maruti Jambige. Mr. Maruti Jambige, Chief Executive Officer of Gammon India Limited. And Mrs. Jambige. And best engineer of the, he is marvelous. He came from a very, I think, almost lower middle class family and rose to that, and doing a lot of social work in Belgaum area, his native place. Second award was given to one Mr. and Mrs. Kiran Kshirsagar and Aparna Kshirsagar. They are doing marvelous job in various domains, especially related to solar energy and environmental protection as well. That was given. Let us please start 1 year. If we could do it in 6 months of time, that really motivates our alumni. It really motivates our alumni. If you recognize that a platform like it was held through Zoom only, that meeting, and many such things could be done. And I'm very sure persons like Dr. Valluri, Avnish, Oka Sahab, and Santosh, and Vikas, I am seeing Revankar in the screen, and many more are there who are doing extremely well. And we keep tapping your energies and then inputs also for the betterment of university. And I look forward to have one meeting of at least this executive council, whatever you have formed, in physical form at Lunare campus. Now I think Corona has almost vanished. With mask and other things, we can conduct physical meetings. You please come to your alma mater and stay here. Saturday, Sunday, you can plan stay for a couple of days in the guest house, and then have a meeting with the people who are of concern to the university, chaired by me, and let us have some brainstorming sort of thing. What can be done and what should be done to the university. With this small remarks, I wish our Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar Technological University Alumni Association all the very best, and look forward to have your active support for furthering the cause of this university. And again, best wishes to you and your spouses and your children on the occasion of 72nd Republic Day of our great nation, Bharat. And best wishes to each one of you in the new year 2021. And I'm sure this 2021 is going to be more joyful, more healthy to each one of us. Thank you very much and all the very best. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. So thanks so much for your kind words, and we look forward to much more involved engagement with the university moving forward. And thanks so much. And with that, I would like to invite our president of the DBA, Lieutenant Colonel Sachin Oka, retired, to address the gathering.
Thank you, Avnish. Right at the outset, let me thank Honorable Vice Chancellor Dr. Veda Ramashastri, the Registrar Dr. Jogi, Head of the departments, professors, staff, and everyone from Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar Technological University, the students and the alumni of the esteemed university who are present today online or otherwise who are supporting all of us. Let me begin quote by Rabindranath Tagore. It says, "The highest education is that which does not merely give us information, but makes our life in harmony with all existence." Today, I am deeply honored to accept the responsibility as the first president of Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar Technological University Alumni Association, University Departments, and I'm sure all the office bearers of this maiden team share my feelings. And it gives me immense pleasure to address this August gathering, though virtually. As the Honorable Vice Chancellor has mentioned, we will definitely plan to have a meeting and a session, a brainstorming session shortly at the university campus, and we would love to be back there, because that's our Makkah, Medina, and Kaaba Kashi.
Yeah.
So we actually, the alumni of this university, have undergone our first battle inoculation, as we say in the army, to be prepared to face the real world outside in these very hallowed corridors of this great university. And we all have very fond memories of the time we lived there, breathed there, in those very grounds which groomed us to take on the world, literally. Since the first batch of engineers has passed out from these gates, we have today thousands of the engineers and alumni across the world in a plethora of fields. And all of us have faced many hurdles, but the indomitable spirit that was imbibed in all of us here in these very campuses has made us strong and ready to face any situation head on. Today, we feel proud to say that most of the alumni have fared extremely well thanks to the strong foundation laid at this university. The alumni fraternity have a moral responsibility and duty to show their gratitude to the alma mater, and we aim to do this through the DBAA in sync with the university and its aspirations. The motto of the DBAA, Together We Excel, is actually what it says all. Under the guidance of the Honorable Vice Chancellor, we at the DBAA have been able to work out at the immediate goals and the long-term goals which have been reflected in the constitution of DBAA. And this will be made available online to every authorized member shortly. We, all office bearers of the DBAA, are thankful to the Honorable Vice Chancellor and all the faculty for the constant and unstinting support for the formation of this association and allotment of office space and resources to go along with it. We are in the process of setting up a virtual platform for all of us to connect, because the first step to achieve the aim of DBAA is to connect with all the stakeholders on a common platform and share our common strengths. I, on behalf of all the present office bearers of DBAA, appeal to all the stakeholders to register themselves with the DBAA. The details will be shared shortly with everyone. Now, I would like to quote Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, Bharat Ratna and former President of India, before I wind up. Dream is not that which you see while sleeping. It is something that does not let you sleep. So I appeal to one and all, on behalf of all of us, to start working towards our common dream to make Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar Technological University one of the best universities in the nation and the world. Jai Hind, and thank you. Yeah, over to Avnish.
Yeah, thanks so much, Sachin, for your motivating words, and I'm sure we all of us as volunteers will work towards it along with the alumni, right? So with that, I would like to invite our Honorable Secretary, Mr. Santosh Chingole, to say a vote of thanks.
An event actually which has started just 31 years after our establishment actually, and we wish to conclude this small ceremony within half an hour. Actually, we are not giving a justice actually, but it is not the end of the program.
Santosh, 1 minute.
Yeah.
I would like to hear, before you propose vote of thanks, at least a couple of lines from every office bearer you have chosen for this Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar Technological University AA. And I just want to, when I was hearing to Sachin, I found that DBAA, and please, my appeal to you is, please make it Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar Technological University Alumni Association, DBATUAA. Please don't cut short it. It will be doing injustice to the name of the university, that too on Republic Day, wherein we adopted, wherein our constitution was enshrined, and then as a nation we adopted the constitution, and the architect of which is Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar. So I appeal to Sachin and all other office bearers to please, we should not commit a mistake in the beginning, and it should not send any wrong signal to anyone. So please make the association. I am recognizing, and I have inaugurated the Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar Technological University Alumni Association. It is DBATUAA, DBATUAA. Please modify in whatever
right, sir.
you have, and then please do that. And then officially tomorrow, you please communicate to my address. You please send the office bearers exactly, and then photos, all those things also I want you to please give, so that immediately we'll put it up on website. And my request to all my students here is, I want to see the name of every office bearer you have chosen, and then let them say at least 2 lines before Santosh gives vote of thanks. Is it okay, Santosh?
Yeah, certainly,
Right.
sir.
Yeah, good.
Right.
Now it can start. We
Yeah,
started
on
with
this
something.
occasion, I'll request our youngest member. We have total 17 members, including office bearer and executive members. Total 17. So the youngest one who is available here is the Swapnil Dawate, who is pass out chemical 2018. So I'll request him today. He was there to attend the Republic Day ceremony. He has heard your speech also. Quite motivated. He is working in Lakshmi Organics, Mahad. Yeah, Swapnil.
I met him morning.
Yeah, Swapnil.
Yes, sir. Yes. Yeah. Firstly, happy Republic Day to all. This is the one of the historical moment for me actually, because I spent 6 years there. I have 3 years in diploma and 3 years in degree. That's why I have a different type of attachment with my heart, you know. So I'm so happy today. I'm feeling happy, and I think I am the one who is the youngest one, and I have much what we can say. I have much responsibility other than that, because I need to do more than all these people, because I have more time, like, you know. So I have so much responsibilities, and I will try my best. I will do whatever I can for this association, and I would like to work for this for the rest of my life. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Yeah, good. Next is Baliram Suryavanshi. No, sorry. Yeah, Baliram, please.
Yeah, hello. Happy Republic Day to all of you, dear sir, and then all my friends. Like, I'm very much happy, and then, you know, to get connected after a long time. In between the last 10 years, like, I was struggling to get connected through the personally, I'm connected to the university all the time. I was connected to the department, my department, and then particularly IT department all the time. But, you know, getting connected to the big level at the university level is a different feeling. And then I feel proud that everybody, including my senior Santosh sir and everyone, Avnish sir, Sachin sir, they are all connected, and then I feel proud to be part of this big organization. Now it's a brand, I would say. Earlier we were getting disconnected one or other way, but now it is a brand, and then we value that. And then I really feel proud to be part of this big brand. Thank you.
Okay, thank you,
Good,
Baliram.
Baliram.
Next is Atharva.
Hello, hi. Atharva Patankar here from 2013 batch. So currently I am running my own company. So that's what I will be pressing for. That's what I bring on the table actually. Definitely, yes, I understand that jobs are very important, but moving forward there has to be a sustainability, right? So I would like, why don't after 20 years DBAR2 alumni themselves they employ DBAR2 students? How's that sound? That's what I am from here. Thank you.
Very good, Atharva.
Thank you, Atharva. Next is Nitin Akhade.
Hello, everyone. Are you able to hear me, right? So, 2 lines like, I'm very thankful to the Sachin and other teammates here. Very senior to me, definitely. But one thing we can remember, our network is our net worth. So whatever we can definitely bring best to our university, we should do that. And these are the golden days I have spent at my university from 2006 to 10, and see like what are the hardships. And currently I'm working for rural development of our country, establishing remote microgrids for enabling economic development of our rural development. So I'll be right to help the university in whatever best possible way in terms of research or in terms of opportunities and other things. Thank you, Vice Chancellor sir and other faculty staff at the university.
Yeah, next is Nanda.
Good evening, everyone, and happy Republic Day. Thank you, sir, and thank you, everyone. I'm Nanda. I'm founder of DigiSec 360. It's a cybersecurity firm, and with my capacity, I would just like to help our department in cybersecurity center. We have already started working with Jadhav sir, And I come with 15 years of experience in IT, and now I have started working in cybersecurity. So with my limited capacity, I would like to mentor the students in career in cybersecurity as well as entrepreneurship. So thank you for this opportunity.
Yeah. Next is thank you, Nanda. Next is Kiran Thombre.
Okay. Good afternoon, all, and happy Republic Day to all of you. I'm Kiran Thombre. I'm right now working as an assistant professor in AP Shah Institute of Technology, Thane, and I thank all of our member for giving this opportunity to me. Thank you, all of you.
Yeah, thank you, Kiran. Next, Vikas Revankar.
Yeah, hi guys. Hi everybody. Thank you so much for this opportunity for speaking today, the Honorable Vice Chancellor, sir. Myself, Vikas Revankar, passed out in 2000 from computer science. And I'm honored to be here as a part of this maiden team, as our president nicely mentioned that. And I always feel the 4 years I spent at the university were for me a formative years, right? And as I said, a tree with strong roots laughs at storms, right? And I think that's what we are here, you know. And today I am, by virtue of the time that I spent in this university today, I am working in a large biopharma life sciences organization, and the value of such an organization comes true in the current pandemic that we are living today, right? How vaccines are made, how biopharma makes and changes our lives, right? So I do work in this space in a very core area, and I would be more than happy to share my experience and share my learnings from this last 20 years with my fellow students, with my fellow alumni, and also with my fellow members, students of the college, right? So very delighted to be here, and thank you again. Nice to be here with you all.
Yeah, thank you, Vikas. Next, Akash Belure.
Hello. Good evening to all. Actually, it is a very happy, and it gives the present students gives a lot of opportunity because of this formation, because lots of alumni at very good positions, and they are very eager to give a support to the university, but there is no proper formation. So there is lack of that, and we are missing that. So this will give the opportunity and all the required by the university. So it is a very good movement and initiative.
Yeah.
And
thank you, Akash.
Yes.
Thank you, Akash. Next, Deepak Vetal.
Namaskar. I hope you are able to hear me.
Okay. Very good morning, Deepak.
Good morning. Yeah, good evening to you all. Yeah, I'm very excited. I'll keep it very short. I'm Deepak, passed out 1998 mechanical engineering, and I'm really feeling proud and excited to do my part. Thank you very much for considering me to be a member of Alumni Association. Thank you.
Thank you, Deepak. Next, Avnish.
Yeah, just a minute. 1 second. Okay, so I'm actually, sorry. Yeah, okay, I'm on. Okay, so hi everyone, this is Avnish. I am basically a mechanical 1998 pass out. The role here, actually, the way we are all working towards, right, is more like volunteers. So we are just here as volunteers to help our alma mater as well as our alumni. The goal is also to form a very strong network of alumni that can help each other, right? I've seen alumni of so many various top organizations who help each other in so many different ways when they're in various companies, right? They try to get their alumni in big companies where they are working, try and enable them, try and network with them and help each other, right? That is surely one of the top goals. The other top goal is also to help students in a big way, whichever way possible. We have been in the industry for so long. We know so much about the industry and how things work. Why not help students to get ready for that, as well as our alma mater, which is our university, to get benefited with our knowledge as well, right? So one of my goals, at least, is also been to teach couple of topics which are very dear to me. from my industry, which I have gained expertise in, and which I think the students would greatly value if they add it to their resume, to try and teach those things, as well as get involved in with the university at various levels in whatever work, wherever we need help, we can help, right? And of course, as on a professional front, I've been in the software industry for 22 plus years, and this year I have ventured into my own startup, which is into developing a platform for algorithmic trading. So that is something that is based in Bangalore right now, and I actually have interns from Batu who are working with me, and they're doing great. So I would surely encourage each of us to try and take interns from Batu. They are really good, and they need our guidance and help to become much better as human beings or as professionals, right? So let's help them, and they will surely deliver. I've seen them deliver for my company. I'm really excited. Right now, I get so busy reviewing their work because it just keeps coming in so very fast, right? So that's a very good sign, I would say, for any university or any students from the university, right? So yeah, with that, yeah, I would like to hand over to the next person. Yeah, that's from my side.
Yeah, next, thank you, Avnish. Next, our Prashant Valluri.
Namaskar, everyone, and wishing you all a very happy Republic Day. So I think it's a very auspicious day to have a alumni association started today, and basically, I mean, the thing is, success of any university is the imprint that the alumni leaves in a global scale into the national level, wherever we are. So I think that's so alumni associations are extremely important in terms of building up not only our own people, but our own alma mater, plus at the same time the nation itself, wherever we are. So and ultimately we are all global citizens, so we want to do good wherever we are. So in my capacity, I'm Prashant Valluri. I passed out from chemical engineering in 1998 from Batu. And obviously, as many of my colleagues have just said, it was the formative years. And that formation and that grit that Batu, learning in Batu and Lonire gave us, gives the potential to almost surmount any sort of an issue that we have come across so far. So after leaving Batu, I was working in Unilever Research India for 2 years. Then I came for PhD, and now I'm the head of graduate school and a professor of fluid mechanics in School of Engineering in University of Edinburgh. And in my capacity as Vice President Academics, I endeavor to make sure that we get the best practice that can be shared across the university, across the students, and as well as develop students to such a level that they have, I mean, we give the tools for them to stand on their own so that they become our own peers. So ultimately, we want to see our own students becoming our peers. So that is my goal. So with this, I would like to hand over. Thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you very much, Prashant. Coming, I think I'm the last, our president, of course.
We have one more Prashant. Santosh, we have one more Prashant. I think, I don't know if is there on the call, Prashant.
Yeah, Prashant is there. I could not see him. Prashant is there. Prashant Nair. Hi, Prashant. Sorry. Yeah. Prashant, you are on mute.
Hi.
Yeah.
Able to hear
Hi,
now?
Prashant.
Yes. Yeah. It's a great honor, and it's great to feel that we have our alumni association formed today. Thanks to the VC, and I'm Prashant Nair, who passed out from EXTC in 2000. I think under Professor Nalbabar, and we are happy to help all the students. We are here to mentor them, and I'm looking forward to making use of it to ensure the students get the right direction in life. And so yeah, happy to be part of the association and take it forward. Thank you.
Thank you, Prashant. Anyone else left? I think Shravani is not there. Shravani, Ashutosh. Okay. Sachin, our president.
Yeah, Prashant, Santosh, I suppose we've already covered that. I would like to only say one thing.
Yeah.
That today we are extremely happy to have this association formally announced by the Honorable Vice Chancellor. and we are raring to go, and we are ready to help the university, and we expect the same zeal from the university side, and we are most open to all sorts of challenges and all sorts of aspirations to be fulfilled. We are there to help each other. Thank you very much.
Yeah, thank you. I'll introduce myself. I'm Santosh Ingole. I'm presently working as Joint Director in Directorate General Aeronautical Quality Assurance. I passed out in 1998, Chemical Engineering. I did my Masters in Explosives in 2012 and pursuing now PhD in Metallurgy at COIP, Pune. Presently posted at Delhi, Sena Bhavan. And I have a lot of affinity towards our DBATU students, and I am fond of social engineering particularly. And in that aspect where our alma mater was missing this part, we try to bridge it, and we are here together. So as brought out by Honorable Vice Chancellor, we are ready to take all challenges, whatever is required. But the pace of working actually of the generation is very fast, and we request that from the college also the similar response is required. Then only things can move in a positive direction. Otherwise, there may be time that the activities may slow down, and there are many alumni are ready to join their hands. They are ready to take the challenges. As we requested in the last meeting, the 16 advisors already they are there to help you. They are ready to spare their 10 hours, minimum 10 hours of time per month, and in all their activities, whatever they have told. So this, finally, I'll come to a concluding part of this occasion, a great occasion of starting our DBATU Alumni Association, DBATUA, we say now henceforth. And I request everyone to contribute whatever way they can. As brought out, the internships, the placements, or the mentorings, or taking the students with them as a guide in all those on all whatever the platforms possible. I just want to put on note actually in the last 6 months of our association with this present committee structure as well as the BATU, we have given more than 200 leads of internships, and 100 were positively culminated. Particularly, they were from the mechanical, chemical, and petrochemical. Those three plus electrical, some, and maybe 1 or 2 computer and civil also. So those branches. But we have a lot of strength available, as brought out by Sachin. Once we start networking, we have the proper platform available. Certain things are these things are automatic actually, and it can happen. So the dream of Honorable Vice Chancellor to have the compulsory internship in the final semester, that can come true probably from the next year, not this year, because this year already we are coming to the semester. But surely we are working towards getting the support for the placement activities. We are working. We are working as supporting hand to training and placement section also. So that thing also would like to be there. Okay. So with this, I say thanks one and all, my all alumni friends, all the students, all the faculties, HODs, and registrar, the most honorable Vice Chancellor, Shri Vedala Shastri, sir. Thank you very much for inaugurating this great event. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. I have at the end one appeal to Sachin and Santosh. Both, yes.
Sure.
Sorry.
We are all yours, sir.
Yeah. I would like to have you people going for now registration. You announced already you are making a Google form for all and through which students can enroll. So please try to generate a directory for your this association. All this alumni one directory. If you could bring out, and
Right,
then
sir.
whatever needs to be done by the university, it will be done. I
Sure.
think what I am planning now is we will attach one more faculty to the alumni association. Now,
Sir.
Professor Jadhav Saab is there.
Sir.
I know things could not move at the pace what is expected from your side and my side also,
Sir.
due to various issues which you can never be able to visualize at the university system.
Yeah.
There are so many things now come. It is a priority basis. Firefighting needs to be done, and so many things will be there. So anyhow, to take care of such things, I would like to nominate one more younger faculty, so that he will be able to assist Professor S.M. Jadhav and can be directly in contact with you. Point number one. Point number two is Professor Jadhav today morning he requested for some space in the presence of Professor Nalbalwar, our dean, and then Dr. Jogi, our registrar, and Professor Joshi was there, TS2 Vice Chancellor. You can approach TS2 Vice Chancellor also. I already told, and Professor Sachin Pore, I think, was there, who is OSD Civil Works. And I already asked this, our Jadhav sir to visit along with Professor Sachin Pore, identify some space for alumni office. Immediately, we will create an office. It is not there. The moment it comes, I'm going to give approval for that, and we construct that office. It hardly will take 15 days to that is going to be done. And next one is about the advisors you have said. Tomorrow we are going to notify those things officially from the office of the registrar. I know because I was for about 15 days away due to personal reasons. So it will be having our association brought into existence now. We will, and who is maintaining the you said Santosh, about 200 plus internships were provided by our alumni to the students of Tivatu. I hope heads of the department must be having information or not. Nalvalwar sir.
Yes, sir. Yes. Every department is having information.
No. Do we have the information centrally with you?
Centrally, no, not.
No, I think now, please, I request Sachin and Santosh to please have one channel wherein I think the purpose of having this alumni association is some streamlining has to be done.
Sir.
Certainly. From your side, it should not go unnoticed by anybody. There must be credit for that. Having within 6 months of time, you have done this job of providing 200 plus internships is not a joke. And they are working extremely well. It's quite amusing to hear such words from practical people. And these things, I think, neither Registrar nor me are not Nalbalwar. None of us we know. I'm telling frankly. I think please streamline. I think you please devise some program sort of thing where internship will be, as far as alumni are concerned, can be routed through a particular channel so that registration is done centrally. It is also known or disseminated centrally so that the university knows what is happening. I appeal to Sachin and Santosh, maybe Avnish and others, please take care of this. So one of you can take that responsibility. Please do it more systematically.
Sir, we will definitely. So we will definitely do that, and for that exact reason, we were requesting for a platform for the entire activity to happen centrally. We have already requested, and we have already forwarded 2 proposals to the university.
What is that?
So Avnish, can you please fill in? Avnish?
Yeah, yes, sir. It's the alumni website platform where we are trying to also track all the internships and jobs, right? So that alumni can directly post requirements over there, and we can track how many are getting filled, and we can get a report from that platform as well directly. So yeah.
Okay, please do. Then you wanted some software to be proposed.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. That's true. That's true.
I'm given to understand that already that such software is purchased by the university. Professor Nalbalwar, am I right?
Yeah. That is given by alumni and some students. This one, current students, existing students, they have given to the university 1 year back.
Is it a professional software?
Yeah, it is like professional. It is
No,
like
my question is it a professional software or is it like a professional software developed in-house?
It is like a professional.
There is huge difference, no?
Yeah.
The other day when we were discussing, I was given to understand that already we have purchased Mr. Jogi.
Not purchase. It is given.
Purchase.
It is given to university, and it is good, sir.
Good or bad is next. Please let me understand. Is it purchased or not?
No,
it is not purchased.
But that day I was given to understand it was purchased. Therefore, we need not purchase again. Jogi.
Sir, that software is along with Dr. S.M. Jadhav, sir. And it is, Jadhav, sir, can you highlight, can you throw the light?
No, sir. Sorry to say.
Jadhav sir, 1 minute. Now I am making a statement here officially as Vice Chancellor. Professor Jadhav, please evaluate if at all, if any software is developed, in-house developed software is with you, or please clarify whether any software is purchased or not. Officially, I want a letter from you. As a professor in charge alumni affairs of the university, I want a letter from you whether any software is purchased by the university and is it with you? Point number 1. Point number 2, is any software developed by our students or whatever it is, and is it operative or there with you? Point number 3. If A and B are no, go ahead in proposing a software for alumni affairs exclusively. I am ready to sanction it. Let us close the chapter. My points are very clear. No need for further discussion on this. Please go ahead with that. And then whatever infrastructure is required, like some computer, some printing facility, all these things. Maybe one computer engineer we can post in alumni affairs office so that to take care of the data bank generation or maintenance of records, all these things can be done. No issue. We are going to give. Jadhav sir. Jadhav.
Yes, sir. Sir, my answer is that software is developed by me only, but it is not, sir, professional. So we must buy, and the technical specification already finalized. Only the hurdle is there, sir. User must be there to sign. So training and placement officer is major.
That is the administrative part. Let us know. Right. My point is just put it in the office note and submit. That's all. End. That is the close. Chapter is closed. If it is required, we'll purchase immediately. Immediately, please do that before 31st March. We have to spend money also.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. And it will definitely pave a way for a centralized place where we can have all these things together. Thanks for that, sir.
And another good news I would like to share. I think meeting is more or less over, except for formal vote of thanks from Santosh. We are trying to have a cyber security cell, highly advanced cyber security cell established to campus in collaboration with Government of Israel. Already preliminary discussions are over. Agreement is almost done between JV between the Government of India and Government of Israel, and Maharashtra government. So when I think Nandana, Miss Nanda told that she is working on cyber security, and immediately I need help, and I would like to finalize the proposal about this Center for Cyber Security for the university. And that is possible. And Sachinji, you can coordinate with them and then arrange a meeting so that I get clarity and submit the proposal to Government of Maharashtra towards this.
Absolutely, sir. We will do that, sir.
Yeah, great, sir. Great.
Take it ahead, sir.
Yeah, Mr. Santosh. Podium is on to Santosh. Hand it over to Santosh.
Sir, thank you very much, sir, for again inspiring all of us, giving the positive notes. And sir, the cyber security program, as we are very closely working with Jadhav sir, and almost every Friday 9:30 bell is ringing for a meeting, and every Friday for last 5 weeks, I think regular meetings are happening. They are finalizing the syllabus. We, as discussed, we are going to launch 2 certificate programs in the immediate vicinity, and thereafter the MTech program in cybersecurity. I think those things have been already finalized. Adoshi is also there. Then Nanda is there. Avnish, Mahendra Tiple, and Amit Patavkar, like that. Many alumni are there, and Jadhav sir and one more faculty is there. So we are already working on this one, and I am only a spectator, a non-technical person for this activity.
No, but backup now, that is very much required. No, I want. I'm very clear. I want these courses are all right. I want the software and hardware for establishing the center. That is a budget I need to have to be proposed to government of Maharashtra.
We will definitely work out. Yes, sir.
Requirement.
Yes,
that is,
we will coordinate with them.
Yes,
we will coordinate.
Okay, Santosh.
Okay, sir. Please. Thank you, sir. Thank you, everyone, for attending this historic event. Thank you very much.
Everyone.
Thank you very much. We are very happy, sir.
Thank you.
I want to register to make the announcement now about the evening function. Dr. Jogi, announce kar dijiye, please extend invitation to all our people.
Yeah, as the meeting was very fruitful, the inauguration was very successfully performed by our team members, and officially I request that the inauguration is over.
I'm asking you to please invite people for some next function at 6:30.
Yeah, definitely. All are welcome physically at any time at Batu. We always appreciate your physical presence and great talking.
Not that. No. Okay. No, I have a point to share. I extend a hearty invitation to every one of you that today at 6:30 I'm going to inaugurate a new lighting facility for the main building. I am sure once you come there, you get mesmerized by seeing the front side of our building. We have put color lighting. That is one of my dream projects. That the perception value of DBATU must increase in the society, among the alumni first, in the society, and all other stakeholders. When they visit, they should feel, yeah, it is something good. So we have, with great difficulty, we did a lot of processing, and today evening it is going to be inaugurated, and some of you can watch to at least WhatsApp, shared by Professor Nandalwar, Professor Jogi, and maybe our Jadavji. Professor Jadhav, I want you three of you to be in touch with Sachin, Avnish, Santosh, to share through WhatsApp, and they can connect it to few others. How the lighting is going to be for all the pillars. Now we have arranged at 3 stages, and today, on the occasion of Republic Day, we are going to have the tri-colored lights. These are program lighting, changing colors. So today I said let us have only this tricolor representing our nation. So invitation to every one of you for the new development of the university. Okay, all the best. Good wishes to every one of you. Thank you very much.
All right.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Bye bye.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you, one and all. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, Sachin.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, and congratulations, Santosh ji, Avnish ji. Background, so many team is working, including president of association.
Thank you to you, Also,
no,
you struggled also.
You struggled a lot, Santosh. Really, you struggled a lot. You have put so much hours of serious efforts, and really, कर जोड़ के नमन सबको धन्यवाद. आपकी जरूरत है बातों को because of practical